I'm standing outside of the Janet Wallace Fine Arts Center, also known as JWall, which houses art and art history, theater and dance, and music. Built in 2019, the Theater and Dance Building is the newest space on campus and houses state-of-the-art facilities including a black box theater, costume workshop space, box dance studio, and multiple study spaces, including a student favorite, the booths on the second floor. There are also studio art spaces and the Law Warschaw Gallery in the Fine Arts Center, which typically showcases an exhibit displaying the art of graduating art and art history students in the spring. Many music ensembles use the practice rooms, studio spaces, and Mars Concert Hall to rehearse and perform. Anyone who is interested is able to take music lessons here at MAC, and bagpiping lessons are free for all students.